What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to adjust the shaking handlebar on Ninebot E2 Pro scooter. So as you see here, it's shaking now. I don't know whether it's visible. Let me try to put it closer. So as you see here, when I shake it, it's just moving somewhere here, and you really feel it when it's shaking. You see, like this. Really not comfortable to drive, and you're always scary that something will be damaged. So what you need to do is to have such screwdriver here. I will write in the description below what kind of screwdriver is this. And there are 2 points of adjustments. Of course, this point is a key, but actually this point majority of time is not the issue. The main issue here is those screw. So here is the first screw here. Need to put it down. Okay, maximum as you can. And the second screw located from other side, it's here. You put it up, maximum as you can. Try again. Okay, then try to test it out. As you see, it's not shaking at all, very reliable. Really, it's become much more stronger. You don't feel any shaking, and actually that's how you can simply fix the handlebar issue.